These are the custom wooden trophies I made for the Moja survival race. Let me show you how they were created step by step. I start with 3 mm birch plywood. To give it a rich tone, I stained it with the teak colored Pinatex terrace and wood oil. The design includes raised tracks, mountains, and the event logo. I use my laser to engrave the details and cut out the shapes. After engraving and cutting, I paint the details. Then glue all the layers together to form the top part of the trophy. For the base, I use solid ash wood. We cut it to size 12 by 4.5 centimeters and make an inner slot where the trophy will fit later. The ash base is carefully sanded and treated with oil to highlight its natural grain. Finally, I glue the top part into the base and attach the metallic colored plates with the numbers for first, second, and third place. And here they are. Handmade wooden trophies combining laser engraving, woodcraft, and a lot of passion. Perfect for celebrating the winners of the race.